Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart and we'll be looking at the trend, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Okay, so this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and yes, after a fall, day before yesterday, we have seen a 5% fall. So now, yesterday the price a little bit covered it up, and around 2.5% the price from the low of the day before, and the price is just going a little bit upside. So what is happening here, again and again I'm saying that the price in the Bitcoin is falling one day, there is a sharp fall, and then after some time the price is basically stabilizing at this level only. So this is what exactly happened here. And so we have this red colored candle fall, and then now the price is just it's just moving here in this area only. So now what we can expect, we can expect a resistance of 20,000, because that is very near. So we can take a this level, and it's not only near, it's also a crucial level, right? So it's a very crucial level in the current situation, because the price again and again it's moving, or it's using this particular level. Also, if you look at the support, so we can take 17,550 as the support level. So this is for the Bitcoin. And today, because there is a less momentum, so again the momentum happens later in the day, so let's see what's gonna happen. But one thing which looks interesting here, which I just what do you call noticed, that because of the last 2 days momentum, we are getting little bit more volumes, right? So the volumes are increasing, so this is something which is interesting. So the if we get more volumes, if we get more momentum, you will see that the price will move in a good in at least in one direction, and that sideways or the consolidation part will be what do you call will be finished. So this is something good in case of the Bitcoin, but not much things we can discuss in the Bitcoin. Now I have something to discuss with for Ethereum. So Ethereum is again telling us a very good indication. Why? Because let us talk about it. So we can see this momentum, this momentum. So the price is trading higher than this 100 EMA, is higher than this particular area, which is at the support level at 1510, which is at the support level. Now look at the yesterday's candle, right? So this is an amazing comeback. Price actually tested the the 100 EMA, but from there it bounced back, and I think it was up by around 3% or so, even more than 4%. So that was something which is a very good thing, and that shows that yes, still the buyers are there. And look at the volume. So volumes are also amazing here. So what we can expect for the Ethereum, Ethereum at least is showing some momentum, but Bitcoin is completely nowadays is lacking in momentum. It's not giving you very clear much direction. So instead of Bitcoin, I prefer Ethereum in this in the current situation. So what we can expect for this cryptocurrency, we can take a resistance at 1725. This is the resistance area, and we can take the support of 1510. So this is very nicely trading in this area. It will come back to the support, move to the resistance, and things like that. And again I'm saying, till the time the price is just holding up this 100 EMA level, this blue colored line, you will see that the price will be trading higher, right? So however, we are not getting very good upside momentum. Maybe in the recent time we will see that part also, if the price holds up that level. So again this is something which gives me more indication towards the one side direction, if you compare it with the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is not very clear in nowadays, but yes, Ethereum gives you a lot more indication in terms of what can happen in the direction, the trend direction. So yes, you can expect these levels for the Bitcoin, and if you are liking this video, if you are liking the way we are doing it, so please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click on the notification bell icon. This is all from my side today. We'll meet you tomorrow.